Step 1. We drew a line. Step 2. We divided it into little squares for ourselves. And the question's being asked, where should we start? Don't get your hopes up for something complicated. We start with the simple stuff. All together as a team. We divided it into sectors. So we drew a line. The first stage. Second step. Pay attention to how the brush is positioned. Place it down. And make a slight tilt. It's better to cut a little less than needed than to overdo it. Don't forget, the brush should be lining down. Step 3. Pay attention to the rest. Interact with the other hand. The finger is here for support. Lay it down. There shouldn't be any grips like this. That is, the wrist should be lying flat. Feel it. Trim out the excess afterward. Clean up any uncut areas. Pick the slotted flag. Pull it up. You don't have to pull it all the way through, because if you do, this part here will become weak, and these little tips will eventually get damaged. Since the heel is shorter than the angled slotted one, it's better to use the angled slotted type. Place it and tilt it. Remove it. We took a half-blood, a stable shorty, and with confident movements. Perform the thrust. If there are any uncut dirty bits, they clean them off. Next, we took a slanted cutting flag, set the heel, and made the tilt. Don't go all the way here. It is often better to slightly undercut the competition a little bit, strategically. By doing this way, you will quickly develop a good feel for your precise cat. Gently make an incision. Don't strain your wrist too much because you might break this weak part. Flip it over.
Clean up our unfinished cuts.
We turned it from the front side onto the edge. We drew a line. Next, we moved our hand to the background and took the slotted flag. And with incredibly confident, precise, and deliberate movements executed with skill and unwavering focus, we meticulously made the crucial, perfectly executed cut, achieving the desired outcome with remarkable success. Take a half-round carving tool and make a notch along the cut line, dot by dot. Don't tense your hand. This particular method ensures that you will effectively form a distinct, small, and noticeable edge, which is quite important for the overall outcome. Here we have the rids. What are we doing? Carefully. A slight tilt. Keep your wrist as relaxed as possible, because you could chip it here. Barely, barely. You shouldn't relax your wrist too much. That's precisely why you should always use the absolute thinnest knife possible for this particular task. Indeed. So, you trim it. We lifted a small corner with a crumpled edge up to our rim. And with precise targeted actions, we outlined the contour. Of the direction. A patch of grass with a foot. I separate with a needle. Thanks to these simple actions, we got an interesting rim.